Hi guys, Neil from HJC. Very excited. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the HJC RPHA 11. We've been fortunate enough to get two of these from HJC. We thank HJC South Africa. We're going to be doing a short-term and a long-term test, but for now we're going to do an unboxing. And so let's start with opening the box. There's a whole lot of catalogs that come with the helmet. Alright, you've got your smoke screen, which is quite nice. It's nice dark tint as well. And then of course the helmet. Very nice case it comes in. Also like two different types of material. We've got the smooth and the rigid on the sides. And there we go. Glance at the helmet. The aerodynamics look very, very cool. Another great thing about this helmet is the weight. This thing is extremely light. Got some decent padding. On your chin strap, you've got the double D links there. You've got your emergency pull options for paramedics. You've also got your chin curtain. Eliminates a lot of the road noise, I'm sure. Vent system, it seems quite unique and advanced. Front vents, right in the front, you've got your open and closed. I've noticed inside there's another vent which opens and closes, which I'm sure opens the sides, which will be pretty cool. Your exhaust vents right on top, and then you've got the two on the sides as well. So ventilation won't be a problem. They actually say they've got the ACS, Advanced Channeling Ventilation System. So that seems pretty impressive. So that's the unboxing for now. I'm not going to go into too much detail on the helmet itself. It was just basically a little sneak peek for you guys, what we're busy with. Read our full review in the May issue. It'll probably be featured by Grant Scott from Scott's Motorcycles. He's got some interesting things to say about the helmet as well. So don't forget, pick up your HJC Mag.